Are your Google Ads campaigns feeling like a guessing game? You're spending money, but are you actually reaching people ready to buy? It's a common struggle for small businesses and marketing pros alike. Imagine this. You could target individuals who are actively researching products or services exactly like yours before they even know your brand exists. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is the magic of combining Google Ads Performance Max with custom intent audiences. PMax is Google's automated powerhouse, designed to finding your converting customers across all its channels, be it search, display, YouTube, Gmail, Discover, Maps. But to make it a true lead generation beast, you need to give it smart signals. That's where custom intent audiences come in. They let you tell Google, hey, find people who are typing best accounting software for small businesses or visiting competitor websites like X Accounting Solutions. It's like having a superhero to find genuine buying intent. So when you should use this awesome combo? When you know your ideal customer's research behavior is cold, when your goal is high quality leads, not just general awareness, and when you want to dominate beyond traditional search campaigns, reaching users across the entire Google ecosystem. But hold on. This strategy thrives on good foundations. Make sure your conversion tracking is flawless. Your landing pages must be lightning fast and perfectly match your ad's promise. Otherwise, even the best targeting won't save you. Building these audiences is key. You go to Google Ads, then find Audience Manager, then Custom Audiences, and then choose Custom Intent. Here you'll define your intent signals. Think like your customer. What exact keywords do they use? What competitor sites are they browsing? Be specific and comprehensive. Don't go too broad. Next, your creatives. Your ads need to scream solution if they're searching for one. Your headlines should directly address their pain points. Find your ideal small business CRM or boost sales with our top-rated CRM are great examples. Your description lines? Well, finish the promise. Streamline operations and manage leads efficiently. Use vibrant, relevant images and videos that pop. And your call to action? Make it irresistible. Get your free demo or request a quote. Landing pages are the grand finale. They must deliver on your ad's promise. Message match is non-negotiable. Your main headline should perfectly mirror your ad. Place your primary call to action, like a form or a button, above the fold on your website or landing page. Keep it simple, minimize distractions, and make sure it's mobile friendly. Short forms convert better, trust me. Measuring success goes just beyond clicks. We're talking cost per qualified lead. Work with your sales team to define what a qualified lead really means. Are these leads actually closing deals in your CRM? That's the real metric. And if you hit a snag, leads are too cheap but bad quality, your audience might be too broad. Refine those keywords. Are you not getting enough volume? Your audience might be too narrow. Expand it slightly. Do you get high bounce rate? Your landing page needs a facelift. This powerful combination isn't just about automation. It's about precision and intelligence. Give PMax the right signal and watch it deliver high-quality prospects directly to your digital doorstep. So ready to transform your lead gen? Let's do it. Thanks for being here. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.